Today we'll talk about how can you find outgoing calls on your Truecaller app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you to find this list on your Truecaller app. So you just go here, you go above this sign, you click on it here, you just click on it. It's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on outgoing calls, you just click on it. So when you just click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list, and here it's going to show for you all outgoing call in this list. On your Truecaller app, it's going to show for you here in this list. So that's all you have to do here. I wish you I get it. That's all to find this here. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.